Hey guys, my name is Maryam Hampton, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I cleanse my natural hair using all Aveda products. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for shampoo, I'm going to be using the Aveda Damage Remedy Restructuring Shampoo. This shampoo has a specific protein that helps repair and strengthen damaged hair. When I shampoo my hair, I like to focus mainly on the roots, massaging the shampoo into my hair and getting rid of any gunk and buildup that I may have. Once I am done shampooing my hair, I will thoroughly rinse all of the shampoo out and move on to conditioner. For conditioner, I'm going to be using the Damage Remedy Restructuring Conditioner. This conditioner works extremely well with the matching shampoo, and it is a great detangler. Now I'm just going to apply this conditioner all over the length of my hair and let it work its magic. Now I'm going to start the detangling process, and as you can see, this conditioner detangles like a dream. I usually detangle my hair in 4 sections and sometimes even 8 sections, but today all I had to do was detangle my hair in 2 sections. I was able to detangle my hair extremely quickly with this conditioner, and I literally am amazed. After I'm done detangling my hair, I will thoroughly rinse out all of the conditioner and move on to deep conditioning. The next product I'm going to be using is the Intensive Restructuring Treatment. And this is more of a deep treatment that you're only to do weekly. This product has organic jojoba oil as well as castor oil, 2 of my favorite oils. And it helps support hair's natural defense against future damage. So it's definitely a great product to use before straightening your hair. So I apply this product from my roots to my ends, and I leave in for about 5 minutes. After a few minutes, I go ahead and rinse all of that product out of my hair. And then I will go ahead and just put my hair into 2 big twists. And that is it. That is how I cleanse and condition my natural hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Aveda's channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much to Aveda for allowing me to share my tips and tricks on how I cleanse my natural hair. And thank you for watching.